everybody. For my demonstration speech, I will be going over how to compare prices from kayak.com and also how to get information about passports. As I said in my persuasion speech, using kayak is something that's just is pretty awesome. It definitely lets you go ahead and get the different prices from the different airlines, and also lets you just wonder, like, depending on where you want to fly to or at what time you want to fly to, it'll tell you the prices. Um, as far as the passports, I know I went over some information, but there might be some forms on the actual website that you want to go ahead and print and use. Alright, so first off, we're going to go over to kayak.com. We're going to look for flights. Alright, I'm currently in Seattle, so Seattle's going to be the one right there. To Japan, which has been the consensus throughout all of my different speeches. We're going to go to the Central Japan International. And we'll put down right there. As you can see on there, it says for May 10th and May 17th, it says great prices. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the May 17th. And coming back, let's do the 26th. It'll just be me and the wife, so we're going to go ahead and search right that. On here, it tells you you can compare versus kayak. You could do Priceline, Expedia, iEagle, Cheap Air, or Student Universe. Let's go ahead and click all of them. Alright. Let's go ahead and search and see what comes up. Alright, so far as my computer loads up, it's showing right here that the cheapest that you can get per person is $1,078, which doesn't seem that bad on this one. And that has one stop, and it shows all the different prices. Look, there's even on multiple airlines on Hotwire, there's 741, which I clicked on. 718 on Hotwire, 914. As you can see, the different prices, and they're pretty affordable. 741 if you factor in 714 or 741. I mean, excuse me, between two people, that's close to what, $1,500 if you factor that in, and you know that, hey, on May 17th. You're going to go ahead and go. Let's say you do this a year or 6 months in advance. You can go ahead and be like, all right, I need to book these tickets at least 6 months in advance and keep $1,500 for the tickets, at least, for the great prices. Okay, on Hotwire, this is the price that they've seen. For two travelers, $733.96 after taxes. So it ends up being $1,481.92. Using Alaska Airlines and China Eastern Airlines. All right, and then now let's go ahead and look for passports. That's another thing that you're going to need when you're traveling international, is a passport. And right here it shows you all the different steps. Step 1, as I have already said, apply early. If you know that you want to go in a year to 6 months, 6 months to a year from now, apply early. Step 2, prepare your application. Step 3, find the right post office so you can get a picture done. And as I said in my last persuasion speech, if you're in a hurry, you can pay to get faster application processing times. They have different tips for it, for passport applications, and they have different things to track your application as well.